Hey there, welcome to our Grubillo channel. I hope you like our recipe. Our aim is to make sure you will never be stuck for options on what to cook again. After watching the video, please take the time to check out the description below for the ingredients and products used within the video. We have sourced the best prices or discounts and bonuses, thereby unlocking the most competitive bargains on offer. Also, please explore the other videos on our channel, and give a thumbs up to the recipes you like. Enjoy and have fun.